How do you make numbers roll in a slide? In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First, the fastest way is to use WPS, an office software from China. In WPS, just select these 4 numbers. Click Animations, then choose Dynamic Number. The numbers will start rolling instantly, and the effect looks great and the software is completely free. It works very similarly to Microsoft Office. It even includes Word features. And it comes with templates you can use. It also has Excel-like spreadsheet features. In China, over 80% of office workers use this software. The second method is Morph transition. This example is done quickly using Morph. First, insert an alarm clock image. On another slide, insert a text box. Type numbers from 0 to 9. Copy these numbers, go back to the first slide and paste them as a picture. Scale up the numbers, then double-click the image. Crop it so only number 0 is visible. Duplicate a few more zeros. Add time separators in between. Your first slide is done. Duplicate the slide, double-click the 0 and crop again. Reveal the number you want. You can hold Shift while moving it, so it stays aligned and moves vertically. Do the same for the second number. Crop it to show 3, repeat the same for the last 2 digits. Now, the second slide is ready, just apply Morph transition to the second slide, and your rolling number animation is done. This example also uses Morph. First, insert an image with a window-like shape in the center. It doesn't need to be hollow, solid is fine. In the previous example, numbers were typed manually. In this one, you don't need that. I've prepared number assets for you. Just arrange them like this, no need to follow order. Group all the numbers together. Copy them to the first slide and paste as a picture. Scale it up and crop to show only 0. Duplicate 2 more. Your first slide is ready. Duplicate the slide. Crop again to show the numbers you want. Finally, apply Morph to the second slide. Now you got another rolling number style, but what if you don't have the Morph option? Then you'll need the third method, Motion Path. This example is created using Motion Path. First, set background format to picture fill. Insert a white texture image from your computer, then insert a rectangle to cover the whole slide. Insert a rounded rectangle. The numbers will roll inside this area. Select both shapes, go to Merge Shapes and choose Subtract. Now you get a cutout effect. Here's a very important step. You need to take this blue shape and set it as a slide background, so it blends perfectly with the texture. But the cutout area still works like a window. Just like before, create a long strip of numbers, copy and paste them onto the first slide. Send them to back. You'll see only the cutout area shows the numbers. Duplicate more number strips. Send all of them to back. Select one strip, go to Animation, and choose Lines. Select the red point, that's the end position. Move it so the final number stops at 2. Play it and the numbers will roll smoothly. You can also open the animation pane. Double-click and set Smooth Start and Smooth End to 0. This makes the motion constant speed. Next, select the finished strip. Double-click Animation Painter. Apply the same effect to the others. Then adjust each one to your target number. Finally, in the animation pane, select the second one, hold Shift and select the last one. Now you've selected all of them. Set Start to with Previous. Play it and make sure everything works. Finally, just add your product image and text. Now you've mastered the third method too. In my previous video, I showed you how to create editable AI handwriting. Go check it out and don't forget to subscribe.